Hello! So today I'm going to be unboxing these beautiful Aphmau Meemeows cats which were gifted to me by Banter Toys. Banter Toys are a toy distributor in Australia and New Zealand. I'm a bit of a fangirl because they're the people who distribute Squishmallows. Look at this. It literally has Banter on the tags and they just sent me all these beautiful cats. So here we are with two beautiful freshly sealed cases of the Aphmau Meemeows mystery boxes. So this one on top, this is a special one. This is a limited edition unicorn cat one. We're going to do that one second. If you want to see this first, I'll put a timestamp so you can skip to these guys. We're going to start with the regular standard litter 5. I forgot scissors. Look after the cats. While I was on my scissor quest, I also retrieved my cats. Probably should have said, this was my existing Meemeow collection. So these were cats that I had bought last year. I think I got them from Big W because I thought they were cute. So they had to come along to meet all the new cats. Put my cats back there for now. You can see them peeking over. And let's actually open these mystery boxes. Big fan of the color, big fan of this cat face, and look at this. They have little ears and bum. If you look on the side, it shows you the 8 different ones you can collect. Because I have a whole case, I believe I will be getting all of them and one double. I especially love this turtle one and this purple one and also this lobster one. He looks so sneaky, and this like goldfish one. So got the box open and there's a little, oh my gosh, I can see inside the holes we've got some kind of blue cat friend. Free. Is this a dolphin? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at his little nose. Look at this beautiful cat dolphin. It's a beautiful blue color. It has a little dolphin nose. It's got flippers on its front legs, and then its back legs still have the little cat paws, and it's got a little dolphin tail. And this whole top layer of blue, the softest fabric, but it's also sparkly too. Can they make squishmallows with this fabric? This is so nice. We can't forget about the important collector's guide. This is so cute. This is like a little poster. I'll put it up on my wall. I was correct. It was a dolphin cat. I guessed an animal right for once. What is that? That is so cute. It's like a little patch. Does that like signify which litter they're from? Oh wait, no, it's got, that's their rarity. I see, so these ones are all common. Jellyfish is uncommon and turtle is rare. We'll put my little dolphin back in its house and we'll open up the second box. Look, I didn't rip the box at all. Oh, I forgot to put its little cat ears up. This is just the best design. This is just so cute. Anyway, let's see what friend we got. Meow number 2. Okay, we got a yellow friend. Who is it? Oh my gosh. Why is this so cute? Okay, I'm pretty sure it's a seahorse. Let's consult the guide. I was correct. It is a seahorse. Okay, beautiful little seahorse. Oh my gosh, I didn't appreciate on the dolphin. Oh, that's because it had closed eyes. Look at these beautiful eyes. They've got a cute little star in them. And it also has that same beautiful soft but sparkly fabric. Its face is so cute. I love its little smile. Then it's got all these little glittery seahorse frills. Sorry, I don't know the anatomy of seahorses very well. Seahorse frills. I love how it's like this gradient from orange to yellow. It just looks so cool. There's little paws on the back of its feet, and then it also has the common patch here. 10 out of 10. Thank you for your service, seahorse cat. And they can snuggle in here together. This is too cute. Opening up box number 3. I'm always really scared when I cut mystery bags that I'm going to accidentally cut the plushies. Oh my gosh, guys, I think it's a pink one. It is a pink. Oh, yes! Yes! That was the second rarity one. Look at this. Look at this. This is my new favorite thing ever. Okay, close up on jellyfish. So this one also has a sleepy face. It's very peaceful, very serene. It once again has this beautiful sparkly plush fabric. Got a flower on its back. Oh wait, no, that's the whole jellyfish top. You know how jellyfish have like the 4 brains, or is it 4 stomachs? Oh, I think it's cows that have 4 stomachs. Anyway, that's the 4 organs of the jellyfish. It's got a cute little frill around its tail, and then these frills, and then these frills. I guess these are meant to be like tentacles. They are so cute and they feel so nice. Its color is so cute. It's giving very like Sakura cat, especially how this kind of looks like a flower. 10 out of 10 for the jellyfish cat. Opening up Meow number 4. I ripped this one a little bit, but that's okay. Cat is safe inside. We get a purple cat. I'm so keen to see the purple cat. Snip, snip, snip. It's a blue cat. Do I already have? Oh no! Oh! Look at its little face. That is the cutest little smile. It's like the axolotl smiles on Squishmallow. That little like wonky cute smile. So this is a spotted whale. It's not a whale at all. It's a stingray! I love stingrays. I see how it's a stingray now because it's got like the spotted top and then the plain underneath. They're now best friends. This one actually doesn't have like that sparkly fabric. This is all just like smooth fabric. It feels so nice. Got a little pointed tail. And then this is its stingray arms. It even has this liney pattern down here. Oh, I guess they're the stingray gills. Once again, got that little common patch on there. It's so beautiful. Meow number 5 of litter 5. Shall we do a guessing game? They don't make different sounds. I don't know why I was listening. And it is, it's the sneaky lobster. Okay, just look at his expression. You're wondering why I'm calling this glorious creature sneaky? Look at those eyes. It's just got that little like sneaky look. So in its front paws, it has its little lobster pincers. Then it also has like these extra legs that lobster has. And then the cat legs on the back. Got a very lobstery body and a lobster tail. He just looks like he is about to concoct something like really sinister. And I love it. They've put these in a really nice color order. Number 6. I like completely ripped this one. I was too excited. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I think it's a turtle. It looks green and sparkly. Yes, it's a turtle. I was a bit worried when I saw that rarity scale thing. I was like, am I even gonna get the turtle? But we got it. Oh my gosh, this is on a different level. This one wins of all of them. The fabric, soft, but it's got sparkles all over it. Not sparkles like the other ones, big sparkles. Look at these big sparkles. They make the cat look different and shiny in different light. Oh my gosh, beautiful. That's why it's the ultra rare, I guess. It's got little stars in his eyes and his face is so cute. It looks like he's like chewing a biscuit or something. But his cute little ears, cute little turtle shell. The turtle shell does not have the sparkles. It's just like the plain one. So you've got some different textures. Even its whole tummy is covered in the sparkly stuff. And then yes, we've got the very rare patch here. They have the best expressions, these cats. So the two I have left to open are the purple one, of course, the purple one and the whale one. There's probably going to be a double somewhere along here. So let's see. I'm so desperate to see what the purple one looks like. Cat number 7, who will you be? Either the whale or it's a double. Oh, it's a double stingray! We got some stingray besties. Hopefully that is leaving us with purple octopus and whale cat. Will it be a purple cat? Will it be a whale cat? Let's find out. It's the purple one. Oh, 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 oh. She's making the exact same face as me. We're twins. We're literally twins. Okay, so she has these adorable bubbles in her eyes. We already discussed how cute this was. But the thing that really got me excited was look at all these legs. She truly is an octopus cat. Also, she's got these like embroidered bubbles on her back. Very cute. Very nice. I also love how she's a purple octopus because I specifically have a purple octopus squishmallow collection and I think she'll fit right in. Final under the sea cat should be this whale. Yes, it is dark blue. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it has little teeth. It has little teeth. Its eyes just look so ready to explore. It has a very whaley body. It's got a whale fin, a whale tail. Obviously got the blue spots everywhere. Look at this glorious specimen of a Meow. That is extremely cute, extremely whale-like. Well, there you go. That is the full set plus a stingray of the Meows Under the Sea collection. He's waving to you. So now I'm gonna slide this one back here and we're going to open up the limited edition unicorn set. So our limited edition unicorns have this like pastel rainbow design. They also have this extremely adorable cloud cat on the side. Yes, each box is this beautiful pastel rainbow. Oh my gosh, 20 million out of 10 for packaging design. These are the two we can see on the top of the box. We've got a pink unicorn and what looks like a sparkly unicorn. And then here are all our little unicorn friends on the side. I'm keen to see them in full plush form, so let's open cat number 1. We're starting off with an aqua cat. We started off with an aqua cat there. And we've got another aqua cat for our first one. Oh my god. First one I've seen with like a little tongue sticking out. That's so cute. These ones have really nice embroidery in their eyes. This one has stars. Oh, I get it. This is like a blue star cat. I love how it has this little blush here by the cheeks. And then turn it on its side and it has all these cute little stars on its back to match the stars on its eyes. And then its little mane and its tail have this 3 blue thing going on. The colors are so nice on this. And down the bottom it has that little rarity patch as well. It has the cute little cat paws on the back feet. This cat that I already own, this is going to be their leader because she's a unicorn too. Unicorn number 2. I can already see it's going to be a pink one. I think it's going to be this one. Wait, no, it's not. It's the other pink. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. These ones all have such different expressions on their face. I'm really appreciating the embroidery here. This cat has I was going to say she has like cat eyes. eyes. I guess they all have cat eyes. They're like extra pointed around here. She's so precious. She just looks so happy. And then she's got a little heart in her eyes. So she's also got the blush on her cheeks. She's got her unicorn mane and her unicorn horn. This is really similar to the other one in terms of design. So I think they all have like the same horn, the same mane, the same tail, but in their like special colors. And they have their special symbol on their side. I forgot to tell you, they're like really great to squish. Squish, squish. Unicorn number 3. Oh. So cute! This is the Sakura cat. This one, I was saying earlier that the jellyfish looks like a Sakura cat, but this is the true Sakura cat. Eyes are like the most magical thing ever. Look at like the different layers of pink, and then it's got like a cute little Sakura flower, and she's so happy. Also got this blush, got the ears, got the unicorn horn, and then yeah, we're consistent with our 3 different shades of the colors. Beautiful 3 pink flowers on her side. Dark pink cat paws on her back legs. She is so beautiful. These ones just all look so happy. They give me such joy to look at because their joy is just infectious. This one's not feeling quite as joyful. She's feeling a bit stressed about looking after all these cats. Just more and more keep appearing. It's time for Meow number 4. Got some yellow in it. A yellowy Meow. Oh, this is like a butterfly. Why am I always doing this expression when the cats have this expression? I was losing my mind over her little eyelashes. She's literally got butterfly wings on her eyelashes. Teach me how to do makeup, queen. She is definitely a makeup influencer. She is the yellow butterfly cat. Got the 3 butterflies on her side. Got the 3 different shades of yellow. They're kind of like a mustardy kind of yellow, this one. Wait a second. These yellows are different to these yellows. Interesting. They've all been like that and I just haven't noticed. No. This one has the same colors all the way through. This one has the same colors all the way through. This one also has the same colors all the way through. But you see this one, that is not the same color. That is different. Probably because she's a makeup queen. She dyed her little hairs. What are you all doing? You're stressing out your leader. You need to go back into your house. Time to set Meow number 5 free. I wonder if this one will have different hair on the top of its head. Okay, we've got green one with clovers. Oh my gosh, it even has clovers in its eyes. This is friends with the sneaky lobster. Actually, this one kind of looks more sleepy than sneaky. See, he has the consistent colors. That's the same. It even has 1 lucky 4-leaf clover on there. Oh, this is such a beautiful rainbow of colors. I've got 3 different designs left. If it's the same as the other one, I'll get a double of 1. This is another yellow one. Oh my god, do we have 2 makeup influencers? No, this is a different one. Oh my gosh, is this a bumblebee one? This looks like a bumblebee. That looks like a beehive. I'm calling it now. This is a bumblebee unicorn. Because that just looks like the pattern of a beehive, doesn't it? And then look at its eyes. It's got that beehive look in its eyes. I love the different shades of yellow in its eyes. Oh, very cute. Very cute. Another common one. Another very soft and squashy one. I really hope I will get this sparkly unicorn cat. She's struggling. She needs someone to help her look after the litter. Oh, it's a dark blue one. This one kind of fits the under the sea vibes of the other one. Like, why does she look like she's like a sea cat? Is it just because she's blue? She has little stars on her, little sparkles. And she has sparkles in her eyes. She also has the top tier eyelashes going on. And she's got that happy face. She is so cute. Another common. We've opened all commons so far. Hopefully there is a sparkly one in there. Okay, so I have all of the cats now on the side of the box, except for Miss Sparkle down the end. Hopefully one of these is Miss Sparkle. Place your bets now. Which one am I going to get a double of? Who will it be? I think I can feel wings. Stop, this is the most beautiful cat I've ever seen. It has the cutest little purple face. It has some beautiful winged eyeliner as well. She has little hearts, got the purple embroidery, purple happy face. I just love all these different colors and the sparkly wings and like the gradient of the horn and then the gradient of the whole sparkles. Like, look at that. It is so magical. This is one of my favorite cats I've ever opened. She looks like she's ready for the job of leader. Okay, then I've got the whole set, but I've got 1 more box. Is it gonna be? Who's our double gonna be? Imagine if I got a double of her. I don't think that's possible. Maybe it is. I don't know. Which cat's gonna get a twin? It's another one of the dark blue cat. How am I might do with these two doubles I have, I might customize them and make them slightly different. I'm gonna do that anyway, but if you want to see it as a video, let me know. I already have ideas. This is gonna be good. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Meow unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to the lovely people at Banter Toys for sending these to me. If you'd like to get your own Meows, I'll put a list of all the retailers on the screen. They're often releasing new litters. I can't wait to see what they do next. Thank you, Banter Toys, and thank you for watching. Bye!